Alright, here's my Suzuki ozark. We just got a power outlet we just got for it. We bought it on, I think it was Amazon, because usually that's the cheapest we can find it. And to hook it up, all it is it goes up there. But if you look right all in here, all that stuff, you can hook it into there to the ignition thing, but it gives it a little bit less power, and you have to have the key on to make the light turn on, or whatever accessory you have on it. So what we did is we got a wire, it was all in there, and we just ran it all the way ran it down to there and connected it onto the battery. It's not really that hard. We did it in a little time. So I went to Bass Pro Shops and got this light, mounted it on right to there, and it's really nice because I mounted it so where when you drive, you can turn the handlebars and it will go wherever you're turning, so you can see where you're going. Now, let's plug it in and show you. See, this doesn't have to be turn the key on to do it, but it will drain your battery pretty quick. But so you can't really see it too much right now, but there's a light, and just loosen that and you can turn it anywhere. I like to keep it locked though so it doesn't move around when we're riding. So the light, I forget how much it was, but it wasn't that expensive. And then we got this for a total of 44 bucks on Amazon. I think that's like the cheapest where we could find it. And it's not that hard to put together. It's really nice, actually. So I'm just showing you what I got for it. But when you do it, we didn't know what we were going to do first, so we had to take all this off. But when you try to put it back on, it's really hard, because these things, they're really hard to put back on, and we snapped one, so we're ordering some of them soon. But other than that, it's pretty nice. Thanks for watching.